Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're talking perimeter, and this is often confused with area, which will be covered in a later video, but for right now, perimeter is the distance around the outside edge of possibly a shape, a polygon. It's the distance around the outside. So here, let's just make a triangle. A little triangle here, and let's say this is 2 inches. And this side, that side looks about 3 inches. And so does this side. Okay, well, if I wanted to travel 2 inches here, if it took 2 inches to traverse this side, and 3 inches for this side, and 3 inches for the other side, then really the operation I'm doing to go around the outside is addition. So I have 2 plus 3 plus 3. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Now here's the key. Sometimes teachers will count you wrong, or programs will count you wrong, whatever you're doing your homework in, if you don't attach the units. It is important that you don't just say 8, but it's 8 inches. I'm going to travel 8 inches if I go around the outside. Okay. Now if they don't have a unit, technically you can say just units and having that generic attachment to your number. But here it was inches, so we're going to say our answer is in inches. So here, let's try another shape, the perimeter of a square. And now, some geometry knowledge might come in handy in here because they'll say words like regular, or they'll throw specific shapes at you, square. For instance, if they say square, I know that all 4 sides of a square are the same length. So oftentimes, they'll only tell you 1. They'll only say that this is 4. And let's go with miles this time, even though that's not 4 miles. But let's say it is. Let's say we have a plot of land. So 4 miles. They may only give you 1 measurement. They'll say one side is 4 miles. But really, what's actually happening here is this is 4 miles, this is 4 miles, and this is 4 miles. And I don't have the mile markings, but this will suffice. And here, so I really have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So again, really, that this is repeated addition. So here, it's adding up the sides. Just like a triangle, you can always take every shape, measure all the sides, and add them up and get your perimeter. So here, we have repeated addition. So technically, we can call this multiplication. So oftentimes, you'll see later on that some people will give formulas for perimeter for certain shapes, but really that's just extra knowledge that you'll have to cram in your head. The way I like to do it, and this is just my opinion, but it's to add up the sides. If you know that perimeter is adding up the sides, then you can come up with equations sometimes, and that's really beneficial. So here, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So here, this shape, a square, is 16, and it's miles. So don't forget that tag again, that little mile mark. So here's 16 miles. If you traverse the outside edge of this land, you'd travel 16 miles. Okay, so I would do some other shapes, but that will just add to the length of this video. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.